Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to equip shaders in Destiny 2. To do so, you first need to launch your Destiny 2 game on your device. And once you do that, select the character you want to apply the shaders to. For example, I'm going to pick Warlock. Now press F1 on your keyboard, which will take you to this screen. Now press S, and you'll see this option called Gradient Scepter. Right click on it, and here you can see different shaders. You can apply it by just left clicking on it, like so, and the shader will be equipped. You can also do this to your armor as well. So to do that, all you need to do is just go to your armor first, like so, and then click on Preview, which is the right click button on your mouse, and now go to Appearance. And here you can see different shaders that you have. To apply it, just left click on it and the shader will be applied, as you can see right here. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Says,